Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to print your name, class and school name. So given the user input as name, class and school name, so let us try to print it. So let's take three variables and keep asking a user to enter name, class and school name. So let's say name is equals to. So let's use the input function call and let's say please enter your name. Yeah, so once the user enters the name, so it will be stored in this variable. So now let us try to take another variable. Let's take class underscore name. So the reason I am taking class underscore because class is a keyword. So instead of keyword, so in order to make it a variable, so I am using the class underscore name. So let's use the input function call and let's say enter class name. Yeah, and now let's take another variable, that is school underscore name. So let's again use the input function call to ask user to enter school name. There is a one catch over here, so you can also convert the class name into an integer type, since class will be from, it's a type of an integer. So I'm just leaving up to here, so we can also convert it if required. And these two types are of string type, that is name and school name is a string type. Yeah, so once we are done accepting that is a name, class name and school name, so let us try to print it. So let's use the three print functions. Let's say name is, let's give colon and let us try to print the name. So now we have to print the class name. Let's say print studying in class colon and let us try to print the class name and then school name. Let's give my school name is, let's give colon and let us try to print the school name. Yeah, so this is the 6-line code to ask a user to enter name, class name and school name. And next is try to print it onto the standard output. So this is a complete Python program. So let me try to execute this and let me show you how it works. Running the main. So enter your name. So let's say code with TJ. So enter the class I'm studying. Let's say assume I'm studying in 5th standard. So enter the school name. So let's say ABC International School. So this is my school name. Yeah, so once we press enter, so you can see name is code with TJ, studying in class 5th and school name is ABC International School. Yeah, so this is the output that you have to print. Closing it. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to print name, class name and school name. So instead of taking the user input, so you can just initialize it directly. Let's say code with TJ, class name is, let's take 5 and the school name is, let's give something like XYZ International School. This is just an example where you can directly initialize the variables and directly run this Python program. So you can see it will print the same thing. Yeah, so living up to your requirement. So yeah, so that's all I had in this Python program. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So thank you for watching. Bye.